acquitted him both times. 2 बार भले इनको impeach किया गया, लेकिन the Senate, which is the last and the Welcome back to Paathshala classes. This is Shashwat, one of the faculty members of Paathshala classes, and today we are going to discuss who is the new president of the USA. So without further delay, let's begin. Donald Trump has been elected as the new president of USA. Donald Trump rises from a successful businessman family. He was a businessman prior to his presidential election. He has become the 47th president of the USA in a testament which shows that he has got a good influence in the American society. Also that as far as his background is concerned, we are going to look into detail as to where from he belongs. He belongs to a business family which was later expanded under the name of the Trump Organization. Over the years, he grew his empire to include luxurious hotels, casinos, golf courses, and even branded products. Also that his high-profile projects includes the very famous Trump Tower in the New York City. Apart from this, he has also been the host of The Apprentice, which gave him a good public domain, and thereafter he started to deal with the public as well. Public से वो public domain में आ चुके थे उस time, लोगों ने उनको जानना शुरू कर लिया था, and thereafter Trump's success in business led to him becoming a best-selling author as well. उनकी एक book भी publish हुई थी, which is known as entitled The Art of the Deal, which was released in the year 1987. His business acumen and the bold personality that he carries, that everybody is aware of, earned him a spot in the spotlight, but it was his transition to politics that truly changed his legacy. From hailing from a business background to getting into politics was something not very easy for anybody. The presidential journey of Donald Trump started in in the late 1980s, but it wasn't that significant, और इतना ज़्यादा वो नहीं दिख रहा था, वो चीज़ इतना impactful नहीं था, इतना significant नहीं था वो, until the year 2015, wherein he, as a candidate for the president, he applied for, and he also won the 2016 presidential election in a surprising victory against Hillary Clinton. His success in 2016 was driven by his promise to bring change to Washington. This was his particular aim to contribute a lot in Washington, focusing on tax reform, immigration, and trade policies. As a president, Trump focused on implementing tax cuts, renegotiating trade deals like NAFTA, USMCA, and asserting a strong stance on immigration as well. His policies, while controversial, left a lasting impact on American politics that everybody is aware of कि ये एक नॉर्मल प्रेसिडेंट नहीं रहे हैं, ये बहुत कंट्रोवर्सीज में रहे हैं. He has been on trend in social media as well. Let's discuss his famous controversies. Trump's time in office was marked by intense divisions in the country. He faced impeachment as well, and that impeachment was not for the very first time, but it was twice that he was impeached during his presidency. The very first impeachment was in the year 2019 in the month of December, when the charges were for abuse of power and obstruction of Congress regarding Ukraine. The very second impeachment that went against him when he was impeached was in the year 2021, the month of January 2021, which was related to his role in inciting the Capitol riot. ये क्लेम उन पे डाला गया था कि उन्होंने इंसाइट किया था एक capital right. Despite these challenges, the Senate, however, acquitted him both times. 2 बार भले इनको impeach किया गया, लेकिन the Senate, which is the last and the super authority in deciding whether the impeachment has to be entertained or not, 2 बार उनको impeach किया गया, लेकिन फिर भी उनको acquit कर दिया Senate ने, and he continued to shape political discourse. A lasting impact on American politics. What is the impact and significance of him becoming the president of USA? So, even after his presidency, Trump's influence remains strong within the Republican Party, to which he belongs, and American politics as well. His appointment of 3 justices to the Supreme Court of USA have reshaped the judicial landscape for generations. His policies, particularly on trade and immigration, continue to be a topic of debate, and that his legacy is complicated, but his role in modern American history is undeniable, and that Trump has also suggested that he might run for president again in 2024, solidifying his place in political discussion. And now that he has won the elections and he has become the new president of USA. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. You can subscribe to the Telegram channel of Paathshala classes for regular updates. Also, you can connect with us through YouTube channel, and for your easy doubt redressal and other study materials, you can access the Telegram channel of Paathshala classes. Get your doubts cleared as soon as possible. Thank you so much for connecting with us.